Hello everyone, welcome to Semicontalk. Today's topic is MSEP. What is MSEP? It is a device embedded package technology by Shinko, Japanese company. And it is used for Qualcomm Snapdragon application processor in Samsung Galaxy smartphone. MSEP is used as the bottom package for application processor POP. So, in POP, memory package is placed on top of this MSEP. How it looks like. MSEP has two unique features which are different from other POP solutions. One is copper core solderable and the other is top substrate, which is also called as an interposer sometimes. First one is copper core solderable. It is located between top and bottom substrate. It has copper ball at center and is coated by solder, and there is nickel layer in the middle. During reflow process, which is around 260 degrees, only solder plating layer melt to make connection between top and bottom substrate. But copper ball at center does not melt because its melting temperature is way over reflow temperature. Copper core solderable is good for electromigration to ensure space between top and bottom substrate and heat dissipation. Ensure space between top and bottom substrate is important during mold process to fill the space by mold compound. Second one is top substrate. It is used to make electrical path between bottom application processor and top memory. What is benefit of MSEP? Usually, when you need to change memory package with different package structure, we also have to change bottom package for other POP solutions. Unfortunately, to change bottom package is not easy because of its complex structure, but MSEP can change top substrate only without changing bottom package structure. Also, through top substrate, MSEP can control POP warpage, which is critical for following SMT process. This is simplified process flow. Number 1, AP flip chip attach. Number 2, CCB attach on top substrate. Number 3, top substrate attach on bottom substrate. Number 4, mold between top and bottom substrate. I hope this video can help to understand MSEP package technology for Qualcomm Snapdragon application processor in Samsung Galaxy smartphone. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit thumbs up. Have a nice day and see you next week. Bye bye.